And here's Grandpa's old, I think it's a 1928 Chevy truck. Somebody's been checking out the engine. Right there is the remains of Grandpa had a blacksmith shop in here. And it's all tipped over now. But you can see right there, I think it's the stand for the old forge. Then there was bellows on there. Dad would talk about how Grandpa would make Dad turn the crank on the old bellows to make the fire hotter. And there's Carl's old Pontiac. I don't know about I think it's about a 36 or a 34 Pontiac. With suicide doors. This was Carl's way of opening the gate, which is really pretty cool. It's an old horse hame, and you put that in there and come over here and open the gate. The grass is shorter here, huh, puppies? More old John Deere combines, couple drills, and there's a Schnauzer and a Schnoodle. And here's an old Early's 50 something Dodge Cornet station wagon. I'm not even sure. Is that, I guess that's an Oldsmobile? I should know. I think it's an Olds. Pretty sure. Quite the chrome bumper on those things. And what's left of the old windmill.